Prep skin with Tonique Comfort. Pour toner onto a cotton pad and apply all over for smooth, hydrated, and glowy skin. Apply a dropper full of advanced Génifique face serum to the palm of your hands. Massage and press into skin with fingertips for a boost of radiance, hydration, and anti-aging benefits. Moisturize with Renergy Lift Multi-Action Ultra Face Cream for a tightening, lifting, and firming effect. Apply advanced Génifique eye cream by dotting under eye using your ring finger or finger with the lightest touch to instantly smooth fine lines and wrinkles. Bronze complexion with Starlight Sparkle shade, with full face brush number 5 starting at cheeks moving up to temples in a C formation. Pop Blushing Trésor shade for a flush of rose on the cheeks up to temples using angled brush number 6 or a blush brush. Apply sand shade all over lids up to the crease with all over shadow brush number 10. For a touch of shimmer, layer French Skies shade with all over shadow brush number 10. Line and define upper lash line with shade Ladies Night with a sleek liner brush like angled brush number 15. For wispy fanned out lashes, apply Lash Idole mascara. Level up the look with L'Absolu Rouge Lipstick in French Tea 274. Finish with a Via Belle fragrance to experience joyous femininity through this energizing perfume. When it's time to take it all off, shake to activate Bifacil Eye Makeup Remover. Pour onto a cotton pad until fully saturated and remove even the most stubborn makeup. Repeat as needed. Lancome's beauty box is loaded with 8 full-size products all wrapped up in a sustainable golden case made of 100% recycled materials.